Hi, my name is Kriti Tiwari. I'm a professional watercolor artist working with watercolors for the past 6 years. I have painted variety of subjects in watercolors including florals, wildlife, marine life, and have made multiple collections that have found home with the collectors. I've taught over 100 plus students through my online and offline workshop. This is my third class in Skillshare. I'm so happy and excited to invite you into this class. I know watercolor can be difficult and daunting, but with the right technique, they open up a whole world of expressive, vibrant art. Hence, I have created this class for you. In this class, we are gonna paint an expressive phoenix bird. You will learn how to layer washes together, create movements with your brush strokes, and layer bold colors beautifully. By the end of this class, you will not only have a striking painting, but you will have learned all the important techniques that are necessary for creating bold, vibrant, and expressive artworks in watercolor after this class. I'm so excited. So let's dive in right into the class.